Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the room's behavior. Sit at the mic position and clap once, then listen for echoes and decay. Because reflections arrive milliseconds later, they smear clarity. You need to identify primary reflection points now. Once done, use a mirror along walls and ceiling to mark where the speaker sees the mic. Those are the first targets. Next, place a rug under the mic and hang a blanket on the strongest reflection wall. These first moves reduce early reflections immediately. Now you implement targeted treatments. Mount acoustic panels at the marked points and angle them slightly toward the source to catch first arrival energy. You do this because early reflections damage intelligibility and panels absorb mid-high frequencies efficiently. For low frequencies, place bass traps in corners. These tame boom and standing waves that simple panels cannot. Once these are installed, add diffusion or angled hard panels behind you to break up remaining slap echoes while preserving some natural liveliness in the room. Finish by testing. Record speech and play pink noise while listening critically. Measure whether decay time and clarity improved. If you still hear echo, move the mic 6 to 12 inches and retest. Small position shifts often remove comb filtering. Make incremental changes. Add another panel, hang a temporary screen, or move furniture to break parallel surfaces. If low-frequency resonance remains, add mass to walls or more bass trapping. One key troubleshooting tip. If echo persists, recheck for a single dominant reflective surface and treat it first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.